Hi, in this video we will learn how to install Windows 10 on your Mac OS. So for that you need two things. First is your VirtualBox and second is your Windows 10 ISO file. To learn how to download and install VirtualBox on your Mac, do refer to this card. Now let's grab Windows 10 ISO file from the Microsoft. For that, open your Safari and simply type Windows 10 download. You will see first link from the Microsoft.com, download Windows 10 disk image. Click on this. Select your edition. Here I have only one option, so I will go for this only. And hit confirm. Now select your language. I will choose English. Confirm. Now select your architecture. I will go with 32-bit. Depending on your system configuration, you can also go with 64-bit. Now this will take time to download. Yes, our download is complete now. Alright, so my first phase is complete. Now open your VirtualBox and do some prior settings. So for that, open your VirtualBox. Yes. You will see this new button and give it a name, Windows 10. This is the location and type is Microsoft Windows and version is Windows 10 64-bit. Let's change it to Windows 10 32-bit. Click continue. Allot memory size. I guess 2 gigs are okay. Click continue. Select create a virtual hard disk now. Create and select VDI, VirtualBox disk image. Continue. Always prefer go with dynamically allocated. Click continue. Now give storage. I want to give only 30 GB of storage for now. You can give absolutely whatever you want. Like if possible, give it 100. But for now, I will go with 30 GB. Hit create. Yes. This is my virtual machine for Windows 10 32-bit. Now before proceeding to actual installation, go to settings and do some advanced settings. In general, go to advanced tab and select bidirectional for share clipboard and drag and drop. Click system. This is the base memory we allotted 2 gigs. That's okay. And in boot order, unselect floppy and take this network. Go to display and recommended video memory is the maximum you can drag to the right. This is showing you 120 MB for now. That's good. And if you see this enable 3D acceleration, select this and you will find more memory space here. Drag to the maximum right. Alright, now go to storage. We will come back to storage shortly. See audio settings are okay. Network, change attached to NAT to bridge adapter, fine. Port okay, share folder okay, and user interface alright. Now come back to our storage, select empty here and click on this mini disk icon, choose a disk file. I'm in my downloads and this is my Windows 32-bit which I just downloaded. Click open. Yes. Now click OK to save your settings. This is my Windows 10, currently powered off. Now let's start this virtual machine to boot my Windows. Hit start. Yes. Again click start. Yes, I can see this is the Windows icon and my typical Windows installation has just got started. You can cross these messages. Yes, this is my first screen for installation. Select your language, time and currency format, and keyboard. For me, these are just fine. Click next. Hit install now. Now setup is starting. It's asking me for the activation key. For now, I will select I don't have a product key. Select whatever the operating system you want to install, like Windows 10 Home or Windows 10 Education. I will go with Windows 10 Pro. And yes, obviously it is not free. We have to pay Microsoft for this, which we will do later. Click next. I accept license terms. Click next. Yes, click custom, install Windows, and you can see yes, drive 0, unallocated space of 30 GB. Click next. Yes, the installation is started and this will take a time. It is a typical Windows installation. Yes, the Windows need to restart to continue. It will restart automatically. Yes, now it's booting up my Windows 10 Pro. Yes, our Windows is successfully booted and it's asking me to let's start with region. Yes, you can cross this message and select your region. I will go for India. Click yes. Yes. Is this the right keyboard layout? US is the correct. Click yes. Want to add a second layout? No. Skip. Yes. Now it's asking me how would I like to set up. So set up for personal use. Click next. Yes. Now let's add your account. You can add your Microsoft account or you can create one, but for now I will go with offline account. Okay, select limited experience. Name your PC. I will name it Educators. Click next. Give a password. Next. Confirm it. Security options. You can answer these questions. For demonstration purpose, I have entered educators in all fields, but you have to answer accordingly. Click next. Okay, choose privacy settings for your device. I generally unselect them all. I don't want any of these things for now. I have unselected all the toggles and click accept. This is for Cortana. Click not now, or if you want to set up, you can go with accept. Yes, saying me hi. This means our Microsoft Windows is almost set up, and this will do few more settings and then we are good to go. So yes, my Windows is installed on my Mac. Let's go to full screen so I can see my Windows is installed correctly. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel.